what else he's got. He's probably got a song about mirrors, maybe. That'd be solid. Okay, so we talked about electromagnetic spectrum. We talked about electromagnetic waves. Talked about the speed that they travel. So make sure you have those sort of things there. All right, let's talk about opaque and transparent. The big thing I want you to understand is the difference between things that are opaque and transparent. So things that are transparent vibrate a small amount. They do vibrate, but they vibrate a small amount. Okay? They vibrate less. They vibrate for shorter periods of time. They pass light through quickly, and they generate without generating heat or losing much energy. That should be without, not with. And this process takes time, so it slows the light down. So if you wondered, why does light not go the same speed always? Why does it sometimes slow down when it goes through mediums? This is why. This process of getting absorbed and passed on takes time. It doesn't happen instantly. Okay? So when you look out the windows, so go and look out the windows. I'll open them for this very purpose. So if you look out the windows, you see things outside. You can see the cars, you can see the trees, you can see the houses across the street, you can see all that stuff. The reason why you can see those things is because the light from those hits the window, vibrates the window particles a little bit, which they then pass that energy on to the next window particle, to the next window particle, to the next window particle, to the next window particle. They pass it on to all the window particles. And eventually they get through the window and come out. It's just like hearing sound on the other side of a door. The reason why you can hear sound on the other side of the door is because the sound vibrates the door. It passes the vibrations through the door, and then it comes out through the air on the other side. That's what happens here. It goes through the window, then comes out of the window, goes into the air, and then you can see it that way. So that's what goes on with those. I got the visual that shows that happens for some, but not for all light. So UV and IR do not get through windows. If infrared is heat, so if you've ever stood in front of a window, if it's not a very good window, it'll feel hot in front of the window because infrared will get through. If it's a very good window, then infrared won't get through. For things that are opaque, they do resonate, so they vibrate a lot, and they absorb the energy. They don't pass it through. Okay, so that's the big difference between opaque and transparent. And here, just for you to look over, basically opaque just talks about shadows. You can look at those real quickly there. Anyway, next time we're going to do lab. We're going to do labs the next couple of class periods. We'll do a lab on reflection and refraction, and then we will talk about those properties, what they are. We'll do some things on mirrors. We'll do some demos with that, and then later we'll do a lab with lenses and mirrors.